Did you know you can boost your income by starting a mobile repair service? But before I tell you about it, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next daily video. In today's tech-driven world, people rely heavily on their electronic devices. When these devices break, they need immediate repair, and that's where you come in. By offering a mobile repair service, you can meet customers where they are, providing convenience and saving them time. This service is particularly in demand for smartphones, tablets, and laptops, making it a lucrative side hustle. With just a few tools and some training, you can start fixing devices and charging competitive rates. Invest in a basic toolkit and consider taking online courses to enhance your skills. Marketing your services through social media and local ads can help you reach a wider audience. Plus, offering exceptional customer service will encourage word-of-mouth referrals. If you're ready to start making money right away, but don't know where to begin, check the link in the description for a proven system that gives you a simple, step-by-step process to make money from home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to grow fast cash.